Welcome to my Sunday front. Today I will be making creamy wild rice and chicken. And so let's get started. So these are the ingredients. It's just a stretch recipe, so I'm going to use the chicken wild rice, progresso soup, sliced carrots, and a cream of chicken soup. And so let's get started. I'm gonna open up this can, put the ingredients in. So I'm gonna add some parsley to it. I'm also gonna add butter. And so those spices are just whatever common spices. Garlic, put some pepper in there, and just a little bit of red pepper flakes to spice it up, and give it a mix. So next I'm adding this can of cream of chicken. Let me get a fork. So I have this can of cream of chicken I'm going to throw in. And just going to mix that up. And just dump this in here like that. Stir it. So this is warming through, and you just want to mix it because the bottom might stick, so just make sure you continue to try mixing it. So to go along with my soup, I made some cornbread, and I'm just gonna plate up my soup now that it's getting to finish. And I have this cornbread, of course, that I made that I want to go along with it. Here I'm just gonna cut inside. And plate this up on the side. That way I have room for the soup, and I will put some hot sauce on there. You know how I like my hot sauce. I like my hot sauce on everything, I guess. Put some on cornbread. And so just spread this butter a little bit more, and we'll get some soup in. So here's one way, and I'll get this one. And here's the other way. Mmm, delicious. This is so good. Mmm. So let's try it with cornbread. Mmm. So good. It's like so fresh. And oh my gosh, I can't stop eating this. This is so good, guys. You have to try my recipes. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.